Okay, so I already have it most of the way off, but what you have to do is these go here, cover that up, pop this off from the side. This gets popped off from here. And then I just took a pry tool and popped it off up to here. I'll show you when it's all the way off. Okay, so there's the hatch cover. It just has clips here and then also 2 push clips that go up through here and into the chassis. Make sure if any of them get stuck in the wing or in the trunk that you just slide them back in. So now there's bolts that hold it up in here. And then we've got to undo these 2 bolts. So this is the donor base for the 2019 Plus wing. I just wanted to use this to show you how the screws in the side go in through here. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 10 millimeters that hold onto the trunk. So I'm going to take all those off right now and switch it over. Okay, so there are a couple bolts that are kind of hidden. So underneath this holds the wiring loom in place, and it slides in and it clicks in with this tab right here. So you just push that tab and it'll slide out. And the same thing for that one. So there's these rubber drains that go to here, so you got to push them in. But I got bolts off the sides, all of the 10 millimeters. Don't forget there's also one up through here, and now it should just come right off. So that's what it looks like with the deck lid off. And then to get the wing off its base, there's 3 T30s on each side. So the blue is the pre-facelift and the black is the facelift, so the 2019 and newer. The base itself is very similar in shape. The only difference is the ends. And that's the wing installed. Okay, so the wing is installed. And the tools I used, 10 millimeter, a pick, pry tool. I had to dig a 10 millimeter nut that fell off the wing, so I had to use that. This is a triple square 10 T30. I had to use these for one of the fasteners that was stuck in the wing, so I could put it back in the plastic piece. A screwdriver and then I use that to help get this started. And impact driver for getting the nuts off.